Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity for Sure. In continuation with our Schemes in News series, we have come up with yet another scheme that has been in news in recent months. Now, as usual, before starting this scheme, we will go through a couple of questions. I am moving out of the frame so that you can look the whole question. So it is a paragraph based question based on which we have two questions. X, approved in March 2024 with a government outlay of 10,371 crore, is a landmark initiative dedicated to fortifying India's AI ecosystem through strategic programs and partnerships spanning both public and private sectors. With a vision to democratize AI access, enhance data quality, cultivate indigenous AI capabilities, and ensure ethical AI practices, the mission is structured around 7 core pillars. Now the question starts from here. One of the pillars, blank, which was launched by MeitY in March 2025, provides a repository of datasets, models, and use cases to enable AI innovation. The blank will act as a hub for AI resources and development environment to explore and share datasets, build applications, and leverage the community. Fill in the blank. We have 5 options here: I.AI, AI Inventory, AI Compute Portal, AI Course Platform, and none of the above. So any one of you who knows the answer can comment in the comment section. There's one more question. Another pillar of X is dedicated to developing and deploying indigenous large multimodal models and domain-specific foundational models in critical sectors. Under this pillar, in April 2025, blank has been selected to build India's sovereign LLM ecosystem, developing an open source AI model to enhance governance and public service access through use cases like 2047 Citizen Connect and AI for Pragati. Again, we have 5 options to fill in the blank: Sarvam AI, Tata AI, Soket AI, Gnani AI, and Gun AI. Any one of you who knows the answer can comment in the comment section. Okay. Now let us move to the topic of the day. That is IndiaAI Mission. Now this mission has been in news consistently over the past few months, so it becomes important for our examinations. And also, if we see all of the institutions in our country, or whether it is the ministries or organizations like RBI or NABARD, they are trying to incorporate artificial intelligence into their system. So they may as well ask questions on it also. Okay. So let us go through first some of the basics of the mission. It was launched in 2024 last year, March 2024 to be precise, under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, with an outlay of 10,372 crores and for a span of 5 years. Now, the aim of this mission is very comprehensive. It wants to build a comprehensive ecosystem that fosters AI innovation by democratizing computing access, enhancing data quality, developing indigenous AI capabilities, attracting top AI talent, enabling industry collaboration, providing startup risk capital, ensuring socially impactful AI projects, and promoting ethical AI. So we have a lot of aims under this pillar. So in order to achieve those aims, this mission has 7 core pillars. And all of the initiatives that are coming under this mission is under any one of these pillars only. Okay. So these pillars are IndiaAI Innovation Center, IndiaAI Application Development Initiative, AI Course Platform, IndiaAI Compute Capacity, IndiaAI Startup Financing, IndiaAI Future Skills, and Safe and Trusted AI. Now we are going to look into the pillars in a more detailed way. And the first one is IndiaAI Innovation Center. This center is dedicated to developing and deploying indigenous large multimodal models and domain-specific foundational models in critical sectors. Okay. So what we are trying to do is to build foundational model. That is, we are trying to build AI models from the scratch. Okay, by training them with a vast amount of data, okay, and that too indigenously, that is, the companies that are going to build it will be Indian, and the data that is going to be fed into these models will also be Indian. Okay. From large multimodal model, we mean is that the AI models should be able to read all kinds of characters like text, videos, images, etc. Okay. Also, we are trying to build foundational domain-specific models on areas like governance, healthcare, agriculture, sustainability, manufacturing, etc. Okay. But how are we going to build it? So, government is asking proposals from different companies or startups. The ones who will be selected will be supported by the government to build this model. And in April 2025, Sarvam AI was selected to build India's sovereign large language ecosystem, developing an open AI source model to enhance governance and public service access. It was also one of our questions. Okay. Apart from Sarvam AI, 3 more artificial intelligence companies or startups have been selected by the government to perform some specific task. Soket AI, Gnani AI and Gun AI. Now it is your task to find out for what purpose have they been selected. Okay. The next pillar is IndiaAI compute capacity. Now, if we are going to build a model from scratch, we have to train it, and training requires a large amount of computational capacity. So, IndiaAI compute capacity pillar tries to provide that, okay, through 18,000 plus GPUs. Okay, what is a GPU? It stands for graphic processing unit. These were very famous in video gaming industries. The good thing about GPUs is that they can do a vast amount of calculations in a very short period of time, way faster than normal CPUs. So that is why they are very much preferred in training those AI models. And it is the reason companies like NVIDIA, their shares skyrocketed in past few years because of the demand of GPUs. Okay. So how is government how will government help in providing these GPUs? It is going to create a common computational AI platform where different companies who will offer these GPUs will be impaneled. Companies like Jio, Tata Communications, etc. There are many companies who will be impaneled in this platform, and all the startups or researchers who want this computational capacity can access it through this platform at 40% reduced cost, what is available globally. So from global prices, it will be available at 40% less cost. And again, it was in news in May 2025 that India's national compute capacity has crossed 34,000 GPUs. See, last year when mission was launched, the target was to have 10,000 plus GPUs. Okay. This year, it was increased to 18,000 plus GPUs, and now in May 2025, we hear that we have crossed 13,000 plus total capacity of total compute capacity, which is quite significant in its own sense. Now comes AI course platform. We are trying to build AI models, then we are providing computational capacity through large amount of GPUs. But if we are going to train it, we require a large amount of data also to be fed into the system. Okay, and where is this data come from? Where is this data going to come from? AI course platform is the answer. Okay, this is IndiaAI Datasets platform. It is a hub of AI resources like datasets, models, toolkits, use case library, and development environment to explore and share datasets, build applications, and leverage the community. It will provide access to high quality, non-personal data to startups, researchers, developers, etc. to accelerate AI-driven innovation. So, under AI course platform, to train the AI models, this platform is going to provide high quality non-personal data. Non-personal data means data like climate, traffic, cropping pattern, etc. These kinds of non-personal data of high quality will be provided to the startups or researchers who are going to train these models. Okay, but where is this data sets will come from? Data sets and models from diverse sources and sectors. Now, various institutions like IIT Bombay, ministries like MeitY, Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highway, etc. They are going to provide this high quality non-personal data. There are various institutions who are going to provide it. Okay. So moving forward to the next pillars. The other pillars are IndiaAI Application Development Initiative. Now the AI models that we are creating, we do not want them to be restricted just in the business arena. We want them to solve real world challenges also. Okay? We want the AI solutions to address real world solutions in the form, and these challenges will be provided in the form of problem statements from central ministries, state departments, other institutions also. Okay? The other pillar is, next pillar is IndiaAI Future Skills. Now, to build a great sustainable ecosystem in our country of artificial intelligence, we require a large, vast pool of talent. Okay? So for that, we need to train people. So under this mission, under this pillar, various kinds of courses from undergraduate to PhD levels are going to be provided. Data and AI labs are being established in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, and also IndiaAI fellowships are provided to students who are enrolling in such kind of courses related to AI. Okay. Next is safe and trusted AI. So we do not want our artificial intelligence models to go haywire, and we want them to be responsible to the society and public at large. Okay. So under this pillar, it is trying to create self-assessment checklists for innovators who are building these models, so that they can self-assess if their models are ready to be launched in the society. Alright. So these were the main pillars under the mission. We will revise it in one go now. So the first one was IndiaAI Innovation Center. What is it going to do? Build foundational AI models. Okay, but it will require a large amount of computational capacity, which will be provided by IndiaAI Compute Capacity Pillar through 18,000 plus GPUs. Alright, but training the models will require large amount of data, and which will be provided by AI course platform. Not just data sets, but also toolkits, etc., which are important to train these models, right? And then we wanted our AI solutions to solve real world challenges. For that, we have IndiaAI Application Development Initiative for solving real world challenges. I think last year a challenge was some kind of challenge was created, like India Innovation Challenge. The name may be different, something of this kind was launched last year under this pillar. So startups were provided with some problem statements, for which there was some prize money also. Okay. Then a large number of startups are going to appear in AI ecosystem. So under this pillar, IndiaAI startup financing, we want to streamline the financing for these startups who will be going to come in AI sector. All right. Now the next two are IndiaAI future skills, to create vast pool of talent via courses, AI labs, fellowships, etc. And the last pillar was safe and trusted AI, so that we can ensure that our AI applications remain ethical. All right. So that was all under this mission. Now we will go to the questions that we had asked at the starting of the session. The first one was, so X here is IndiaAI Mission, as you all know, and one of the pillars which was launched provides repository of datasets. So which one of the options is going to provide repository of datasets? That is AI course platform. And the next one was another pillar that was dedicated to develop and deploy indigenous large multimodal models. Under this pillar, DAS was selected to build India's sovereign LLM ecosystem. Who was selected? MeitY was selected. Okay. So that is all from my side in this session. We will meet again next time. Keep studying till then. Thank you.